Hi, welcome back to Di's Home and Garden. If this is the first time you've been here, thanks for joining us. And what we do here, we look at things that I grow in the garden, how I grow them, might do some crafts, or we might be in the kitchen doing some cooking, and that's what we're doing today. So today we're revisiting one of my favourite cookbooks, or the series of cookbooks. It's the Australian Women's Weekly Oriental Dinner Party Cookbook that we're using today. And it's a moist coconut cake. Now I love this recipe. I've made it many times. You just stick everything in a blender, blend it up, put it in the pie dish, stick it in the oven, and you've got a beautiful pie. And as it cooks, it seems to separate, so you get like a base and then you get the filling. So it's just quick and easy. So let's have a look and see what ingredients we're going to be using. So here are the ingredients that we're going to be using. We've got half a cup of milk there at the back, 1 cup of castor sugar, 1 cup of coconut, that's desiccated coconut, half a cup of plain flour, 400 grams of coconut. Now it's supposed to be coconut milk, but I didn't have any, so I'm using coconut cream. So we'll see how this turns out. Then we need 125 grams of butter, but I've used margarine. And then we need 4 eggs. So let's get on and make it. So as I said, this is a very easy recipe. We're just going to add everything to our blender and then blend it. So we've got our sugar, our coconut, flour, margarine, milk, coconut cream, our 4 eggs. So we'll just crack them in here to make sure that they're good before we add them to the rest of everything. And there we have it. I'll just clear this away. We'll pop our lid on. Just take that out of the top. There we go. Put the lid on and we'll just blend it. I think I should have put the liquid in first. Let's mix that up a bit. Okay, let's try that again. to stir that again. And we'll blend that one more time. And there we have it. Now we'll just put it into our pie dish and then that can go in the oven. Okay, so here's my pie dish and I'm just going to grease that pie dish with a little bit of margarine. Okay, there we have it. And then we just add our mixture. I'll just grab a spatula. Just so that I can get all of that out. And there we have it. So we just pop that in the oven. Now that gets baked for 1 hour at 160 for a fan forced oven. That's 160 degrees Celsius, fan force for 1 hour. But I'll come back at 45 minutes and double check and see how things are going. So just placing it into the oven, and I've put it onto a tray just in case there's any spillover. There we go. It's firm to touch, so that will be ready. Okay, we'll just let that cool.